Welcome students. We will start the new chapter inside the atom of standard 8. Children, you already know what is meant by matter. Matter is everything around you. It may be rock, soil, water, air also. We can't see air, but we can perceive air through our sense. Matter is made up of by small particle known as molecule, and molecules are made up of from atom. The smallest particle of the substance is known as the atom, as well as the smallest particle of an element also known as an atom. Let us see some types of substances from this chart. Here I write some examples of substances. Let us see what is the formula of each substance. The formula of water is H2O. Formula of oxygen is O2. Formula of helium is He. Formula of ammonia is NH3. Nitrogen is the gas. Its symbol is N, but chemical formula is N2. Methane is also the gas. It has the formula CH4. Neon is an element. Its formula is Ne. In next column, we will see that substance is the example of an atom or the example of molecule. Water is made up of from two different atoms. That's why it is a molecule. So we will mark here like this, because water is a molecule, because it has a molecular formula H2O. Single type of atom? No. Water is made up of by two different atoms. That's why we will mark here like this, different types of atom. Water is made up of from two different types of atom. Is it element? No, it is a compound. So we will mark here. The second substance is oxygen. Oxygen is a gas. We see here oxygen molecule is made up of by two atoms. So it is a example of molecule. We see here oxygen molecule is made up of by the same another atom. The molecular formula of oxygen is O2. That's why it is clear that molecule of oxygen is made up of like another atom. That's why it is a single type atom. Oxygen is compound or element. It is an example of element. So we will mark like this. It is an element. Helium. Helium is an atom. Is a single molecule? No, it is not molecule. That's why we leave that column. And single type of atom, yes, it is a single type of atom. And helium is an element. That's why we will mark here element. The next substance is ammonia. According to its molecular formula, ammonia is made up of by two different atoms, nitrogen and hydrogen. That's why it is a molecule. there are two different types of atoms in ammonia. That's why we will mark here, because in ammonia there are two different atoms. One is nitrogen and another is hydrogen. Ammonia is made up of by the combination of nitrogen and hydrogen. That's why it is a compound. The next substance is nitrogen. The formula of nitrogen is N2. It is a molecule and it is a single type of atom. It is diatomic molecule, but atoms are same. That's why it is a single type of atom, and it is a element. In case of methane, we see there are two different atoms, carbon and hydrogen. So we will mark here two different types of atoms. It is a molecule. It is not atom, because we will mark here molecule, and it is a compound. That's why we will mark here. And last one is the example of neon. Neon is a element. Sorry. And it is a single type of atom. That's why we will mark here. And it is an atom, so we will mark here. In this way, we complete this chart. This chart is from your textbook. You see more example from the textbook and learn the definition of an atom and molecule and complete the chart from your textbook. Thank you for watching the video.